Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today for the very first time I'm going to do a try on clothing haul video on my channel and I'm very much excited for that. Now this is all the shopping that we have done in last 1 or 2 months and we have gone really crazy this time. We have shopped lot and lot of clothing pieces this time. We went really crazy and most of the things are traditional like kurtis and stuff. You will be seeing 4 to 5 pieces probably from the western wear. I don't know why we really enjoy shopping for kurtis nowadays. That is not the case with me every time, but yeah, this time I really enjoyed shopping kurtis. Also, just putting out there, this is not all my shopping, it's my and my mom's shopping together. Like we have similar sizing in clothing pieces and that's really amazing. सिर्फ 19 पीस का फर्क है हम दोनों की साइजिंग में. So yeah, just putting out there. We have done shopping from everywhere possible in Baroda, like Central, Max, Zudio, Brand Factory and everywhere. So I'm going to show you all my shopping in this video. Now without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Now let's start with the first one, that is Vadodara Central. मैं एक ही प्लेस की शॉपिंग एक ही बार में दिखा दूंगी. देन वी विल मूव ऑन टू अनदर शॉप और मॉल और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद वडोदरा सेंट्रल. कुर्ती फ्रॉम वडोदरा सेंट्रल इज दिस वेरी 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 सटल एंड सिंपल कुर्ती. इट्स दिस ब्राउन बेज कुर्ती. लुक एट दिस. ये इतनी प्यारी लगती है, मतलब इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. It's very simple kurti yet it looks so chic and elegant. और इसके योक में प्लीट्स दिए हुए हैं with this silver embroidery and this brown buttons जो मैचिंग कलर के ही है. Now in this sleeves, the sleeve is really interesting. यहाँ पे बटन दिया हुआ है as you can see with this cut और यहाँ पे ऐसा gathers होता है. So it looks really unique. And other than that, the whole kurti is plain. Whole kurti is plain. Now this one is from Mother Earth and it is also in the size XXL. Now let's move on to west side. And the first piece, oh my god, it looks so pretty. And this looks really 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 beautiful. इतना heavy looking कुर्ता है. I really loved it. आप इसको आराम से functions में carry कर सकते हैं. And this is in this pink color. Yeah, it is in pink color. And look at the yoke. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. इतना अच्छा embroidery किया हुआ है. It is all machine embroidery and it came with this button and loops. सिर्फ buttons नहीं है, buttons के साथ loop भी है. It does not open. It is only for the show. But yeah, it looks really cute and pretty. Other than that, the whole kurta is plain and it is in the A-line shape. Like ये ऐसे A-line shape में आता है. It looks really beautiful on my mom. ये मेरे mom का कुर्ता है. And look at this. It looks so pretty. And this one is from the brand Diza and it is in the size L. And the next one is again from the brand Diza. Yes, it is again from the brand Diza and it is in the size L. And this is a really simple printed kurta for regular wear. और ये ऐसा एकदम simple कुर्ता है again with buttons. और ये buttons open होते हैं. ये buttons open होते हैं. This is how it looks. This is also A-line कुर्ता with cuts. इसमें cuts दिए हुए हैं. पिंक वाले कुर्ते इसमें कट नहीं थे, इसमें है cuts. And this is how it looks. यहाँ पर बीच बीच में golden foil print दिया हुआ है. It is not all over foil print, but ऐसे बीच बीच में कहीं कहीं पर ऐसे golden foil print दिया हुआ है. Now the last one is also from west side and it is from the same brand Diza and it is in the size XL. And look at the color. It is so pretty. You are not ready for the color. Oh my god, it is so cute. Look at this color. It is in pastel blue color and I love it. It is this combination of pastel blue, pink and green print. It looks so pretty. I loved this one. This is also A-line kurta with the skirts, and also guys, it has a pocket. It has a pocket. This is the thing I really look for my kurtas, जिसमें भी pocket हो. So it's really convenient to keep your phones and everything in kurtis as well. इसमें भी आगे buttons हैं जो brown color के wooden के buttons हैं. And yeah, that is it. Again, this is the simple basic kurta for regular wears. Okay, now let's move on to Max, and I've got only one kurti from Max, which is in this brown beige color with yellow flower print all over it, and it is so pretty. इसका फैब्रिक भी ना थोड़ा सा शाइनी फैब्रिक है, सो ओकेजनल वेयर्स में ये बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा. इट्स लाइक नॉट बेसिक कुर्ता एंड नॉट इवन अ वेरी हैवी लुकिंग कुर्ता. तो आप ओकेजनल वेयर्स में भी पहन सकते हो. यहाँ पे पूरा ऐसा प्लेन है और आगे पे ऐसा पूरा फ्लावर प्रिंट है, एंड एट द बैक यू हैव दिस लाइनिंग प्रिंट गोइंग ऑल ओवर द कुर्ता फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम. नाउ अगेन आई लव द स्लीव्स. इसमें ऐसे फोल्डेड स्लीव्स है. इफ यू कैन सी, यस इट इज दिस फोल्डेड स्लीव्स. ये ओपन नहीं होती है, इट्स अ फिक्स्ड स्लीव, एंड दिस वन इज ऑल्सो इन दिस साइज XXL. नाउ आई हैव गॉट वन प्लाजो which is this white and green in color. It's not plazo exactly, it's kind of a culottes if you know, and it is perfect for work wears. Like अगर आपको culottes plus top या culottes plus t-shirts पहनना हो तो ऐसे culottes बहुत ही काम में आते हैं. If you are a working woman, this is really amazing, and this is from Max. It is in the size XXL. It is 90% cotton and it is for 699 rupees. Yes, this one was for 699 rupees. This one is really comfortable. आप इसमें पूरा दिन आराम से निकाल सकते हो. Now two western pieces that I got from Max, and the first one is this blue and white striped top. It is like this, और इसमें आगे ऐसे टाइप्स दिया हुआ है जो आपको एक सेमी फॉर्मल लुक देता है, एंड आई रियली लाइक दैट पार्ट. और ये कितना 3/4 स्लीव्स का है, एंड दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. या इट्स अ रियली सिंपल बेसिक टॉप, बट आई लाइक दैट टाई अप पार्ट ओवर हियर जो एक बहुत ही अच्छा सेमी फॉर्मल लुक दे सकता है आपके आउटफिट को इफ यू वेयर इट विद ट्राउजर्स. सो या आई हैव गॉट दिस वन फॉर दैट पर्पस ओनली. अगर कभी भी फॉर्मल्स पहनने की जरूरत पड़ती है तो आई कैन टोटली वेयर दिस वन फॉर दैट. एंड द सेकंड वेस्टर्न पीस दैट आई गॉट इज दिस वन दैट आई एम वेयरिंग इट राइट नाउ. ये बहुत ही अच्छा लाइक ओवरसाइज्ड स्वेटशर्ट है, तो इट इज नॉट वेरी मच विंटरी फैब्रिक, बहुत ही लाइट फैब्रिक है. इसको आप डेफिनेटली आराम से समर्स में भी पहन सकते हो, गर्मी आपको बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगेगी. It says this athletic department legendary and stuffs like that. I totally enjoy wearing this nowadays. इतना अच्छा like oversized और comfortable है, और sleeves भी अच्छी यहाँ तक आ जाती है. So it will protect me from the cold from this part, and yeah, I totally enjoy wearing this one right now. Now let's move on to Brand Factory. I've got one kurti from there, and it is this रॉयल ब्लू लाइक डार्क ब्लू कुर्ती, और इसका योग पूरा ऐसे हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन प्रिंट से किया हुआ है. नेकलाइन उसकी खुलती है विद दिस हुक्स. यहाँ पे हुक्स दिए हुए हैं नेकलाइन में पूरा. सो या इट डज ओपन टिल वेयर, या पूरा योग ऐसे ओपन होता है जो हुक से दिया हुआ है, और नीचे ऐसा प्लेन है. अनारकली कुर्ती है ये, नीचे पूरा प्लेन है, एंड then you see the bottom. Oh my god, बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है ऐसा जब घेरा होता है. It looks really pretty, और इसके स्लीव भी पूरी फॉइल प्रिंट से की हुई है as you can see, और बॉर्डर ऐसा दिया हुआ है. It looks really amazing. If you wear this for some functions, छोटे मोटे functions में ऐसी कुर्तीज बहुत ही काम लगती है जो ऐसे गोल्डन प्रिंट्स या सिल्वर प्रिंट्स में होती है, which makes them look a little bit heavy. And this one is from the brand Vishud. Yeah, it is from the brand Vishud, and it is in the size XXL. I got this one from Brand Factory. Okay, now I've got two legging pants from Brand Factory. It's like a workout track pants, and this is how it looks. The first one is in this gray color, and it comes with this neon pink line. Like it's just a print. यहाँ पे कुछ zipper विपर नहीं है. It's just a print, and at the end you get this zipper over here, which is again in neon pink color, and it does open. Like ऐसे ही open भी होती है ये zipper. And अगर आप दूसरे leg में देखो, so this is whole printed, and it says don't stop. Yeah, it says don't stop. This is from the brand Champion, and if I'm not wrong, I got this one for 400 rupees. Yeah, in the same kind, but it is printed, and it is this blue printed. इसमें भी नीचे ऐसे neon pink में और zipper दिया हुआ है, which opens up like this, and you can close it like this. Also, इसमें कोई write up नहीं है. It's just this whole printed leggings, and yeah, ये मैं अभी तक बहुत बार पहन चुकी हूँ, and it is really comfortable. Next कुर्ती is from Zudio, and I loved this color. Basically मैंने ये कलर की वजह से ही लिया है, और फैब्रिक. This is this pastel green pista color कुर्ती, and it also has this buttons on the front, जो एक wooden के buttons है, and it does open. And this is the sleeves. I think the sleeves are a little bit larger for me, but I can easily alter them. So yeah, this is the kurti, and it has this cuts over here at the bottom. ये भी एक बहुत ही सिंपल और रेगुलर वेयर की कुर्ती है, but I really love the fabric, how it looks. ये बहुत ही आपको एक हैंड वोवन फैब्रिक की फीलिंग देता है, although it is not. And this one is from Zudio, and it retailed for rupees 299 only. Oh my god, this is such a steal. This is in the size 3XL. Now, last but not the least, I've got one plazo, and oh my god, it is such a comfortable plazo to wear. Look at this. It is in this indigo print all over it, और ये इतना अच्छा खुला प्लाजो है. I really enjoy wearing this kind of clothing, especially for my bottom wears. And it has this tie-up strings over here, जो एक ऐसे wooden के मनके के साथ आता है. This one is from Friendship, and if I'm not wrong, ये सिर्फ बड़ौदा में ही है, and it is in the size XXL. It is 100% pure cotton. Friendship is known for such clothings, जो 100% cotton clothings होते हैं, और fabrics are so comfortable from Friendship. If you ever visit to Vadodara, you can totally try Friendship kurtis, plazos, crop top, and all such things. Also their leggings. Oh my god. Their leggings are the most comfortable one out there. Yeah, that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and you can comment down below which one was your favorite piece out of all these things. I really cannot decide my favorite. If you want to see more such videos, you can always comment down below and let me know that which kind of videos you want to see in future. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with all your friends and family. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.